Hello crafties, how you all are doing? I hope you are doing great. So today let's make vellum or butter paper stickers, journal stickers. So here I have taken vellum or butter paper. You can easily find it at stationery shops. These are like translucent kind of paper. So I have cut it like this. And now I'm going to make some sceneries and alak designs. Like for this one I'm making a sunset night kind of scenery, and for colors I'm using sketch pens, brush pens and white pen and black pen also. So you can make any designs, any floral pattern or vintage pattern. So in this video I am showing you quite a different designs. You can try many, or you can search on Google also and make your own designs. So I am making florals, sceneries and vintage kind of theme. For brush pens I am using Dom's pastel brush pens, and sketch pens are Ohuhu sketch pens and Dom's sketch pens also. Here I am using a white pen, you can see. Again I am making a very simple flower, and this one is a vase with flower. Again this is flower, lavender, very easy to make. And now for this one I have made a Polaroid, you can see. And now I am making a scenery at the center of it. You can use any colors, any patterns you want. I'm making it easy and simple. And for this one also I'm making a tree, like branches here and there. And this one I'm making a vintage theme with brown shade and some writings and a leaf. And now I have cut some circles and making some flowers, and this one Saturn and coloring it. You can write some quotes also. Same way I'm making more with coloring the background first into vintage colors. Now for this one I'm making a vintage stamp kind of thing with some florals at sides. Now this is done. I hope you enjoyed watching the video and learned something new today, and got some ideas also how to make journal supplies. So I hope it was fun watching and you do try to make it too. And for more such videos, don't forget to subscribe and click that like button and comment your thoughts on it. And also tell me which one is your favorite. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos. Lots of love from Crafters World.